जय बाबा गुदड़ीवाला, जय बाबा गेलाराम. Story of Baba Hardasram Sahib Life Part 2. Seeing you loved grandma so much, your parents used to say to you so at the age of 3-4 you would take one or two chapatis every day from your grandmother. In the street near the house, a dog gave birth to 6-7 children. You need to feed that bread and pick up the children of the puppy and play with them in the house. Sometimes they used to drink milk and syrup in a tat plate, and in the house there would be a oti or full of grain, out of which a handful of cereal was placed on top of the house with your grandmother, and the birds put grains of grains when the bird came to eat grains, trying to catch them, but they do not fly away. Then you ask your grandmother, why do these kawa or chirki run away after seeing me? Why not sit and play with me? The peels of puppy, the children play with me in my hands. Why so? Grandmother says, baby Hardas is a bird. It is the remaining animal of the garden. The bird is afraid of you. The bird is afraid from human beings. They feel that Hardas should not catch us and lock them in a cage. Jai Baba Gudriwala, Jai Baba Gelaram. The story of Babaji life. The part 3 will be continued tomorrow. Jai Baba Gudriwala.